Well, hello there, YouTubers. This is day 5 of 365 days of painting. This is the month of April, and I have decided to work on portraits this month. So this is actually portrait number 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. And this is a painting of a photo I received last night from my granddaughter Afton, who just got bangs, and it's called Afton Got Bangs, right? So I have painted in this style before, where you if you my video on the I think I can't even remember what it's called now. Oh well, anyway, I'm still utilizing the warm underpaintings, and I really like them, so that's what's going on. I grabbed the orange, painted background, painted that in acrylic, and I'm painting this painting in gouache. And yeah, I think it came out pretty cute. So I didn't really have a plan going into it, and it's just really funny how, I don't know, the orange just kind of dictates the colors that are coming next. And yeah, so I really like the pinks. And so the flesh, the lightest color is actually a flesh. It's a peachy beige, but it reads, kind of looks white in this video, but it's actually peachy. And then for the darkest darks, I used permanent violet and also phthalo blue for the darkest darks. And I think even at the end, I might have even utilized a black acrylic Posca pen. Yeah, to do some details. So it's really weird. I don't know. I like utilizing the warm underpaintings. It's kind of cool. You can see on the face here, I missed a couple of spots, and I didn't even realize it until I got that blue sky in. That I was like, what's going on there? I forgot to paint in those sections, and they should be the lightest color. And after I put the sky in, you'll see me do that. And yeah, so yeah, I really like it. I really like utilizing an underpainting. I think it's really kind of exciting how things turn out. And yeah, and so just kind of like always, I thought it looks good enough, and so then I just decide that it's done. I just don't think I have anything more to add, and I think it came out pretty great. Thanks for watching my YouTube video. See ya next time. Bye.